up, that's part of the fun too. Meteorologist Peter Hall has us all weather aware tonight. Peter?
Well, yeah, we've got still some snow in our forecast for this evening, but then all snow should be tapering off. The amount of new snow we're going to get is not going to be overwhelming. Out here on the weather deck, we've had about 3 inches of snow. Let's take a look at some of those cold numbers as we go to the weather computer. So the coldest high we've had so far this season was 30, and the coldest low was 11 a couple of mornings ago. As we look ahead, I'm forecasting there's going to be a wide range of lows, as you'll see, but I'm forecasting a low of 3 for Syracuse. The record low for Friday is 0. That would, if 3 is the actual number, it'd be the second coldest for the date on record. And it is possible we could tie the record low or go lower than that. And by the way, the last time we were under 11 degrees was way back in March. And if you're wondering when the last time we were below 0 in Syracuse, this is not an incorrect stat. You actually have to go almost 2 years ago, December 29th, 2024. Actually, that's only about a year ago, but you get the point. It's been a while. So anyway, we look ahead and our weather is going to stay chilly. Now, it's still blustery right now. So with temperatures in the teens to near 20, the wind chill is in the single digits. But though you can see it right here, most of us have wind chills somewhere in the single digits. The wind, at least, is going to calm down after this evening. Other than most spots just getting a fresh coating of snow, the one spot I'm still concerned about is southeast of the Route 13 corridor, which is right where my yellow glove is showing you. These spots across Shenango and Cortland counties and even southeastern Tompkins County, be weather aware if you're driving along the Route 79, 206 corridor in through here, or Route 13 or 41, because there's still some squally snow going through over the next hour or so. But the worst snow from here, that should be gone within an hour, and this leftover light snow that you see, that's going to be tapering off. And you see here by 8 o'clock, the leftover light snow now down to the southwest of Syracuse, and then moving southwest and stopping. Notice how this lake cloud plume kind of pivots southwest. So those of you in here probably aren't going to be quite as cold as everybody else because of the cloud cover. Here's my forecast for low temperatures. The best chance to get to or below 0 is, roughly speaking, east of the 81 corridor. You might get there in Cortland. Now look at this. I mean, you're talking double digits up there in Old Forge and Big Moose, closer to 10 where clouds hang on. Anyway, for Friday, the skies should be better, and the wind should be pretty light. Sunshine mixed with a few clouds. If you're wondering about temperatures for tomorrow, I think we're going to probably wind up in the low to mid 20s. Way, way below average. But at least there won't be a lot of wind. So if you're doing some skiing at Greek Peak tomorrow, yes, cold, but at least it's quiet. We have 2 small systems for Saturday and Sunday. Limited sun, then clouds and late day light snow. 35 feels a little bit better, but there is a breeze. Sunday, again, kind of the same idea. The best chance, we might actually have a bit of light accumulating snow Sunday night, and then another polar plunge Monday. Slightly milder by next Wednesday, and then Thursday, Friday, and next weekend, another dip in those temperatures again. Stanley Law Skywatch showing you things are quiet. You can brighten the holiday season for a child in need. CNY Central and the United States Marine Corps Reserve are once again partnering for our Toys for Tots campaign, sponsored by Blaze Right Chimney Services. There are drop-off locations, or you can come right to our drive-thru in our parking lot, 1030 James Street on Thursday, December 11th from 5 to 6:30. You're up to date, back inside.
All right, Pete, thank you. Well, coming up next, she's the girl